So we got another Biasi and we got an error code 01. Let's go and sort this one out. So let's press reset. Right. I don't want to see. Right. It's fired up. It's not holding flame. Second attempt. Third attempt. And it's gone. And what happens when it goes? When else is still fired up? Fourth attempt. It's still there. After the fourth attempt, it goes into left edge. So basically sparking, the burner is igniting, which is this baby, it's sparking here, but it's not holding flame. The reason it's not holding flame because this baby here is not detecting the flame. So we're going to have to change this. We're going to change this. This is why we have to change it, yeah? We switched it off first, and then we're going to just change this baby, and I think I screwed up today. Don't lose it. Okay. Right. I'll do that. I'll switch the camera off and then do it. Okay, once again. Right, okay. This is a new one. And this is the old one. But have you seen the difference? Well, look at that. It's sellotape together. Yeah, sellotape together. And look at the damage there as well. So anyway, we're putting the correct part in now. Hopefully this will do the job. Right, we're going to put this in now. Hopefully this should do the job now. So we're going to put this new one in, and hopefully this will do the job. I don't know. Looks like it's working fine now. So that is going to connect to that. Connected. Fingers crossed. Hopefully all going to be working fine. Let's find out. Dun, dun, dun. I'm gonna have to press reset because I presume the O1 is still flashing. Fingers crossed now. Let's find out. Oh no, it's working. Right, it's holding flame now, yeah. We got the correct wire on. The correct one, yeah. And this was the one we took out. Somebody sellotaped it together from another Biasi boiler. So anyway, sorted. Guys, I've just repaired this boiler. Flame detection probe was faulty on it. It was igniting, fires up. It goes through the process of ignition, four attempts, and then it's going to lock out on 01. So I knew that the flame detection probe is the thing that was faulty and it's not detecting the flame. I've changed that, it's all working fine now. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, Birmingham boiler fix. And my friend here wants to give me a review. Hopefully a kind review, that'd be great.
Here my friend is. I have issued this boiler a year and a half now, and hopefully it's looking like it's working out, and hopefully it will continue. Thank you very much, brother. I appreciate that.
Thank you. Thank you very much for the review. So guys, unfortunately on this one I was called back the next day. It's flashing error 25. Now error 25 is exactly the same as error 01, the ignition issue. So I thought the part was incorrect for that boiler. Electrode on it. Right guys, the Biasi, we changed the electrode on it. Unfortunately, it did work, it started working, but unfortunately they called me back the next day. So I found a Biasi. I said, listen, I'm getting, they started getting error code 25, error 25. So I found a Biasi and I said to him, listen, I've got a boiler which had error code 01 on it. I've sorted, I've changed the ignition detection electrode on it, but now it's giving me error 25. But as I checked into online, right, it's this error 01 and error 025 are related to ignition. So they told me what part, and I was kind of suspicious anyway. Maybe I put the wrong part in. I diagnosed it correctly, but the part, maybe it's the wrong part. So I've told them the part number and they go, no, it's a wrong part. You have to, it's a different part that you got to put in. It's a different detection electrode you got to put in. Now, somebody before me cut the wires and self-taped them together. So now I needed a new wire for it as well, cable. So these detection electrodes were like the spark plugs in the car. That's the ones. But what the other customer, the engineer before me, cut the wires and put the normal ones in, normal spade fittings on them. So anyway, I changed the part on it and it's working fine now. It's been about 3 days. They haven't called me back. So that was a bit of a tricky one. Got stuck on it. We sorted it. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe.